In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel and how you can make YouTube videos without showing your face and without using your voice, how you can find trending and interesting topics that people will be interested to watch. If you make YouTube videos about those topics, you can get views, subscribers, you can grow your YouTube channel fast using this method. Okay, so I already have faceless YouTube channel, and as you can see, this channel has made just in one single day $768. That's really a lot of money. Maybe will motivate you to start your own faceless YouTube channel. Okay, so what you will do is you need to choose specific topics that people will be interested to watch. Okay, so how we can find trending and interesting topics? What you need to do is you just need to go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, so just go to your YouTube homepage and you need to use YouTube search to find trending topics. So click on the search over here and ask question. So for example, you will ask how to be, and here you go. People are searching for those topics. People are searching for how to be a millionaire, how to be successful on YouTube, how to be a YouTuber, how to be happy, how to be confident, how to be a man. Those topics, people are searching for those topics. If you make a YouTube video about one of those topics, you can get views, you get subscribers, and you can grow your YouTube channel fast using this method. So what you will do, you will choose one of those topics. So for example, you will choose how to be, let's say how to be happy. Okay, what you will do is you need to make a YouTube script about this topic. So what you will do, you will go to Google and you will search for ChatGPT, and you will use ChatGPT to make a YouTube script. Okay, so just go to Google. You can sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. It's easy to create an account on ChatGPT, and you can use just the free version. I'm using just the free version. Click over here, okay, and ask ChatGPT to make an engaging YouTube script about how to be happy. People are searching for how to be happy. I will make a YouTube script about this topic. Okay, and here you go. ChatGPT will give you the title, the script. It will give you segment 1, segment 2, an engaging and professional YouTube script. Okay, as you can see, this is your title, introduction, and this is your introduction, as you can see. Okay, so this is the host, as you can see, segment 1. Okay, so what you will do, let's scroll down. I'm gonna copy. Okay, I will copy segment 1. What you need to do is you need to record this YouTube script. So you have to choose. You can use your own voiceover, okay? Or you can use this website that I'm gonna share with you. So I will copy this script, we will copy this part. What you will do next, go to Google and you will search for Play HT. Click on the first link over here. This is an AI voiceover generator website that you can use for free to record your YouTube scripts. Okay, so you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to click over here on voice change, and they have different voiceovers, as you can see. So you find American voiceover, British voiceover, Canadian voiceover, Australian voiceover. Let's check this one, for example.
No-nonsense investigator Tyler Elliott, a far cry from the roles for which he is best known. Elliott was essentially Jamie Curtis.
They are really good quality.
Dude, I remember, yeah, it's crazy when you look at a 10-year-old, it looks like they're doing nothing, kind of like they're dumb and their necks get...
As you can see, they have a lot of voiceovers that you can use. So for me, I like to use this one, Chris. Click on the voiceover that you want to use, click on confirm, then put your YouTube script here, okay? Like this. So let's copy, I'm gonna copy segment number 2. Okay, like this from here. You will copy, so you will copy just this part. I don't want to make this video too much long for you guys. just to share with you the method that I use. And here you go. Click over here on generate speech, and your YouTube script will be recorded just in few seconds. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to turn this YouTube script. Now we will turn this YouTube script into voiceover. Next step is you need to turn this voiceover into an engaging and professional YouTube video, and I will show you step by step how we can do it. It's easy and simple. Okay, so let's see. Your voiceover will be over here. Let's check.
First up, let's talk about gratitude. Taking a few minutes each day to reflect on the positive aspects of your life can do wonders for your overall happiness. Start a gratitude journal, jotting down 3 things you're thankful for every day. It could be as simple as a good cup of coffee or...
As you can see, this voiceover is really amazing. It's like a really human voiceover. What you will do next is you will click over here and you will download this voiceover to your laptop. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to go to Canva. Okay, we will use Canva to make an engaging and professional YouTube video. Okay, it's easy and simple. If you don't have an account on Canva, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Click over here on video. You will be directly in this page over here. Click on upload over here. Click on upload file, and you need to upload your voiceover to your Canva account. Okay, so let's see. This is my voiceover over here. I will click on open, and your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be in this page. Click over here on add page. Okay, and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover like this. Okay, like this. Then go to the first page, click between those 2 pages, click on add transition. Okay, choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make your videos more engaging and professional. So I will use this one. Just choose which transition you want to use. I will use this one. Make it to 0.3. Click on apply between all page, and your transition will be applied between all your page. Okay, so what you need to do next, click on elements over here and click on the search for happy. Search for happiness or happy, it's the same. I'm gonna search for happiness. I will click on videos, and here you go. You will find a lot of videos about happiness. So let's choose this one for example. Just click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points, set the video as background. Go to in the end of this video, click over here, keep clicking, swipe left like this to make the video short. Then click on the next page and add different video. Okay, 3 points again, set the video as background, make it short, add different video, scroll down. I will add this one over here, showing people happy and enjoying, chilling and enjoying their life. Okay, because this video is about how to be happy. People are searching for, on YouTube they are searching for how to be happy, so I will make this video for those people to show them how they can be happy. Okay, I will click over here, set the video as background, make it short, click on the next page, scroll down. I will add this one over here, add different videos. Okay, make it like this, click on the next page, scroll down. Okay, so just scroll down. I will add this one over here, set the video as background, and you are making videos that people are searching for, so you can get views, get subscribers, and you can grow your YouTube channel fast, giving advice for people, and of course they will like your content. Click on the next page over here. Let's add this one over here, set the video as background, make it short. Okay, and here you go. You just made faceless YouTube video in few seconds just by using Canva. Okay, let's check. And let me know in the comments, guys, what's your opinion about this video. If you give it time, you can make an amazing and professional YouTube videos using this method. Okay, let's check.
First up, let's talk about gratitude. Taking a few minutes each day to reflect on the positive aspects of your life can do wonders for your overall happiness. Start a gratitude journal. Jotting down 3 things you're thankful for every day. It could be as simple as a good cup of coffee or a friendly smile from a stranger. Next on the list is mindfulness meditation. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos. Taking even just 5 minutes.
And here you go. As you can see, we just made faceless YouTube video just by using Canva and free AI voiceover and ChatGPT. Easy and simple. You can find a lot of topics that people are searching for on YouTube every day, and you can make always new topics. Okay, so that's how you can, after you finish, make your video long. If you give it time, like I say, you can make better videos, better than this one. Okay, click over here on share, click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop. Then you can go and start uploading faceless YouTube channel, faceless YouTube videos to your YouTube channel. Stay consistent. If you want to succeed on YouTube, you need to upload videos consistency, and those videos will not take a lot of time from you. It will take just few minutes to make a lot of videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.